can't believe it is almost February and Valentine's Day is coming up. I wanted to do some more photos for my creative market shop, and I wanted to do a Valentine's Day theme. And when I went to the store, I had planned on doing a red and pink theme. But when I saw these roses, I kind of fell in love with them and decided just to get them and make it a simple spread. Then, as I was getting ready to take the photos, I thought, wouldn't it be cool to do a video of this to kind of show anyone who's interested how I put the photos together and maybe inspire some other people to make their own. On Instagram and Pinterest, I've seen some different designs like this with, the flowers and the leaves and the petals, and I thought it would be fun to do. I've wanted to do this for a while, and I have actually, but nothing I've done so far has turned out like I wanted. So these photos actually I like. I don't know if they will sell in my creative market shop, but I'm gonna put some in there and just see. So this month I have been really into my bullet journal. I actually bought my first one at the beginning of the month, and I've started to do beginner bullet journal videos on YouTube, which has been super fun and probably led to me making this video, because on the bullet journal videos you speed up the drawing of the different spreads, and it's really fun. So I thought, why not do that with my photography as well? So anyway, I had to take a few pictures with my bullet journal. Right now I'm outside creating the different designs, and it was very windy, and it was actually kind of hard to keep everything where I wanted it when I'm doing the designs with the petals and the leaves. They kept blowing away, so it took me a little bit longer, and I thought it'd be great if I could do this indoors without the wind, but it is what it is. Also, normally when I do photos for my shop, I use a lot of tech. I photograph computers and phones along with different props. Really, for Valentine's Day, I feel like it's more whimsical to just leave the tech out. And I'm done. I hope this has inspired you to create your own photos, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye!